All right, we are back. We're closing in on 500 subscribers. I'm manifesting it in my mind. So go ahead and click that like, subscribe button and follow me, and you won't regret this. This is Findaway Voices, where you can partner with Spotify to upload audiobooks or whole albums to Spotify. They partner with Spotify to give you a voice that's unique and it's not oversaturated. I know Spotify is, but they partner with Spotify, so you're going to get your commission through Spotify, and you can set your own prices. So if you have a whole audio book or you'll have a whole album of 10 songs, you can set it for $10 and say you got $5 per song, that's $50 already, boom, boom. And you didn't have to spend 1 or 2 hours sitting there creating it. You could just go ahead and upload it and boom, it's there. You can set your own prices. That's where it says pricing is made clear, and you can maximize your earnings with no distribution fees on Spotify. So usually some of these companies pay you a percentage to host it on their website, but it's no distribution if you go directly through Findaway Voices, which is going to post it on Spotify for you to maximize your earnings when listeners listen to your audios or album and stuff like that. So if you want to learn more, click the learn more button, and you can see, you know, um, how it how fans are going to listen and discover your music. Obviously, you want to create good music and audiobooks so people can listen to it and refer their friends, and more people can listen to it. So I prefer that you do all this stuff, with different music tools and stuff like they have different AI tools that you can use to remix songs and stuff like that and make it your own. I talked about that on my channel before, but I'm not going to go into detail about that. You can check that out in another video. So it's important that you make good music and make good audiobooks, so good audio sounds, so people will be able to want to use it, or partner with you on different songs, and you can make more money together if you have a famous artist and stuff like that. So it just all depends on you as the artist how you want to approach this. You can create whole albums, you can create an audio book, and then partner it with Spotify, and you can register just for free. So click on the registration for free, and then first name, last name, email address, password. Make sure you read the legal agreements and stuff like that so you know what you're getting yourself into. And then after you get all of that, you're just gonna click this button right here, create an account, um, and then you'll be able to start uploading, your audiobook or whatever type of sounds you want to this, and then they'll partner with Spotify. But that is all I have today. Let me know if you had any success with this. But if you haven't had success with this, I talked about TuneCore on my channel before, and basically you can remix songs, you can re-record songs into your own voice, and then upload it to there, and then they'll pay you if someone buys it. So if you don't like this particular platform, TuneCore, I talked about them on my channel before, early, I want to say last year or so. So if you don't like this particular one as an artist, then you can go and sign up with them. But other than that, just giving you more options to consider. Other than that, have a great day, my money makers. Bye now.